If it is not given, then you are supposed to take 20.358 divided by 120.358 as your dividend distribution tax percentage. You have done complete your problem, but you have not written your conclusion. You will lose your 2 marks. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your ALsir here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are discussing topic called Corporate Tax Planning, Unit 3, Session 5, and under this the topic called Tax Planning and Financial Management Decisions. Now, right now we are discussing capital structure. Once we are done with capital structure, the next topic will be what? Dividend policy under your unit number 3. Now, in today's session, we will work out most important problem. Why I consider it most important? Why? Because in your previous year examination, like the last examination, your seniors, what they have written, they have done this problem. Now, your previous question paper problem, we are solving today. Your agenda will be completely these problems. And this will be your problem number 7. Now you will understand exactly how to do your capital structure problem, because we are not just explaining now we are going to work out this. Now the task is very simple. What you are supposed to do is, please keep a calculator, a book and pen. Along with me, you are also supposed to do this problem so that it will be easy for you. No need to do revision after this class. Do it right now. Along with me, you also solve. If any doubts you have, you can check with my classes. Now, so these are the informations we have. Suchitra company wants to raise capital of 50 lakh. Our whole problem goes with what? 50 lakh your capital. Now, so we'll write 1, your investment. Second one, your ROI, also we can call it as ROC. And the third one, corporate tax. And the fourth one, your dividend distribution tax. These are the information we are supposed to find out from this problem. Now, in this first one, your investment. We got investment of 50 lakh. Return on investment, return on capital employed will be 25%. We are going to do problem on 25%. Then the company can raise debt 12%. Your debenture interest is 12%. While doing the problem, you are supposed to consider. Suggest which of the following 3 alternatives should it opt for it if the tax rate is 31.2. What is the tax rate? 31.2% is your tax rate. Is there anywhere they have mentioned dividend distribution tax? Nothing. Then it will be what? 20.358 is your dividend distribution tax. Whole divided by what? 120.358 will be your dividend distribution tax. Normally you will give it in the question paper itself. If it is not given, then you are supposed to take 20.358 divided by 120.358 as your dividend distribution tax percentage. Now, we are done with all these informations. Now, only equity capital. How much required? 50 lakh in the form of equity. That is option number 1. Second, 20 lakh equity and 30 lakh debenture. In this, 20 lakh equity and 30 lakh debenture. 20 lakh in the form of equity and 30 lakh in the form of debenture. Then, 30 lakh equity and 20 lakh debenture. Similarly, in this, 30 lakh equity and next 20 lakh in the form of debenture. Hope you got all the information. Yes. Now, in this, equity you are not paying anything, but debenture holders you are supposed to pay what? Interest. What is the interest percentage? Wherever you have debenture, 12%. Wherever you have debenture, it is 12%. 35%. Up to this problem number 1, part A. Later, what will be the decision if the ROI is 35%? The exactly same problem, you have to do it twice, but first problem is on 25% and second problem is on 35%. Hope you are clear. Yes, first problem is on 25 and the second problem is on 35%. Now, these are the information you have to do your problem. If you want, please write down all the shortcuts so that we'll do it together in today's session. Now, your first one solution, you are doing for what percentage? First, you are doing for 25%. You are doing your problem for 25%. That is the first one. In this, first one will be what? Your capital or investment. So what is your capital or investment? As per this, everywhere it should be 50 lakh your capital or investment. 50 lakh, 50 lakh and 50 lakh. How they made 50 lakh in this? 50 lakh in the form of equity. Second one, 20 lakh equity, 30 lakh debenture. 20 lakh equity, 30 lakh debenture. And the third one, 30 lakh equity and 20 lakh debenture. 30 lakh equity and 20 lakh debenture. And remember, for debenture we are supposed to take 12%. For debenture you are supposed to take 12%. So up to this you don't have any doubt. Whatever given in the question, the same thing I copied and pasted. Now the problem starts from here. EBIT, earning before interest and tax. How to calculate this? Very simple. What is your capital? 50 lakh. Remember, your capital is 50 lakh. What is the percentage? You are doing on 25% return on investment. Now, this 50 lakh multiplied with 25%, you will get around 12 lakh 50,000, but just confirm once. 50 lakh into 25%, you got 1 lakh 25,000 or 12 lakh 50,000. 12 lakh 50,000, 12 lakh 50,000 and 12 lakh 50,000. Hope you are clear. Yes, 12 lakh 50,000, 12 lakh 50 and 12 lakh 50,000. Now, once you are done with your 12 lakh 50,000, in this, minus what? Minus, you are supposed to less interest on debenture or loan. In the problem, if they have given any debenture or loan, you are supposed to minus. Now, do we have debenture here? No, it is only what? Equity. There is no debenture. Do we have debenture? Yes. How much? 30 lakh. 30 lakh multiplied with, what is the percentage? Your interest percentage is 12%. So I got 3,60,000. So 3,60,000. It should be calculated on what? Remember, it should be calculated on this. How much debenture you have, on that only you are supposed to calculate. Similarly, you have 20 lakh here. On 20 lakh multiplied with 12%, I got 2,40,000. So your first step is done. This is what? Earning before tax or earning after interest. So it will remain as it is, 12,50,000. 12,50,000 minus 3,60,000, it will be 8,90,000. We'll cross check. So 8,90,000 and 12,50,000 minus 2,40,000. So it is 10,10,000. Up to this, hope there is no doubt. Now, minus less corporate tax. What is the corporate tax given in the question? Check. It is given 31.2%. Now we'll take 31.2%. 31.2%. 31.2 divided by 100, not 131. Remember, the 120, we add 100 only for which one? Dividend distribution tax. For corporate tax, it is always divided by 100 itself. Now, 12,50,000 multiplied with 31.2 divided by 100. 3,90,000 and this one 8,90,000 multiplied with 31.2%. I got 2,77,680, 2,77,680 and this one 10,000 into 31.2%. I got 3,15,120. 3,15,120. 1, 2, 3. I'll cross check once. 12,50,000 multiplied with 31.2%. First one is correct. 8,90,000 multiplied with 31.2%. It is correct. And the last one, 10,10,000 multiplied with 31.2%. 3,15,120. It is proper actually, so there is no mistake. Now what we do, we'll go for the next step. We'll go for the next step. What is the next step here? So, earning after tax before dividend. How much you will get? You're supposed to minus 12,50,000 minus 3,90,000. This is 8,60,000. 8,60,000. Now, in this 8,90,000 minus 2,77,680. 6,12,320. Similarly, 10,10,000 minus 3,15,120. 6,94,880. 6,94,880. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now, so earning after tax, you got 8,60,000, 6,12,000 and 6,94,000. How did we get all this? You know very well. From this, we deducted this one. We got your answer. From this, what we are supposed to minus? We are supposed to minus dividend distribution tax. Now, less dividend distribution tax. What is your dividend distribution tax? Very simple. So, whatever answer you got, 8,60,000 multiplied with 20.358 divided by 120.358. First one. Second one, 6,12,320 multiplied with 20.358 whole divided by 120.358. That is the second one. Go to the last one. Third, 6,94,880 multiplied with 20.358 whole divided by 120.358. This is the third one. So we're done with 3 calculations actually. 8,60,000 multiplied with 20.358 divided by 120.358. So it will be how much? You got 1,45,465. First one. And the second one is 6,12,320 multiplied with 20.358 divided by 120.358. I got 103,571. So it is 1,03,571. Last one, 6,94,880 multiplied with 20.358 divided by 120.358. I got 1,17,535. 1,17,535. If it is more than 0.5, you can make it round off also. Same problem if I do or if you do also, there may be changes of 5 or 6 rupee because of the fractions. Now, so from the total we will minus 8,60,000 minus 1,45,465. It is 7,14,535. Then 6,12,320 minus 103,571. I got 5,08,749. Last one, 6,94,880 minus 117,535. I got 5,77,345. 5,77,345. I'll cross check all the calculations so that if here we are wrong means your whole problem will be wrong. Always remember in your exam also, once you are done with this, again recheck. While taking you have taken wrong number, or while calculating you have taken wrong percentage. Everything you have to cross check again. Even though your concept is correct but calculation is wrong, then again you will lose your marks. Now, the first one I'll check. 8,60,000 multiplied with 20.358 divided by 120.358. 1,45,465. It is correct. 6,12,320 multiplied with 20.358 divided by 120.358. The second one also correct. And the third one, 6,94,880 multiplied with 20.358 divided by 120.358. And the third one is also correct. Minus 6,94,880. 5,77 proper. 6,12,320 minus 103,571. So 508,749. It is proper. 8,600 minus 145,465. Yes, this one also. Everything is proper now. So almost you are done with 80% of your problem, part A. So what is how to calculate the per share value is how much? Per share return is how much? Very simple. Divided by what? Equity value. Divided by equity value. I'll show you that. Now, whatever answer you got, 7,14,535 multiplied with 100 whole divided by 508,749 multiplied with 100 whole divided by 5,77,345 multiplied with 100 whole divided by. So this is your basic calculation. Divided by what we should take, I'll show you that. Plan number 1. How many equity shares? 5 lakh. So the value of the equity share is 5 lakh. It is not 5 lakh, 50 lakh. In the second option, what is the equity share value? 20 lakh. So take 20 lakh. In the third option, what is the value of equity? 30 lakh. Take 30 lakh. Now you will get your final answer. Your final answer is your 7,14,535 multiplied with 100 divided by 50 lakh. I got 14.29. What is the second one? Everything is in the percentage because multiplied with 100 means always it goes with percentage. Now 508,749 multiplied with 100 divided by 20 lakh. I got 25.43. And the last one is 5,77,345 multiplied with 100 whole divided by 30 lakh. It is 19.24. Now in this, see which option is better. Now normally usually it was used to be third option, but in this if you go to option number 1 you will get 14.29 your return. Second one 25 and the third one 19.24. Should I go for 1, 2 or 3? Yes, you're supposed to go for option number 2. Why? Because your return is more compared to all other 2 options. Clear? So which plan is better? Conclusion, plan 2 is better because your return is how much? 25.43. So please put it in sentence. We have done all your last 4 sessions. I have given you sentence. Frame that sentence and write your right answer. Your conclusion you are supposed to write. If it is a 15 marks problem, 1 or 2 marks will be allotted for your conclusion. You have done complete your problem but you have not written your conclusion, you will lose your 2 marks. Clear? Yes. This is all about your part 1. What is part 2? The same problem, what you did, the same problem you are supposed to do for 35%. Clear? What we did for 25%. What we did for 25%. The same problem you have to do it for 35. Just I will show you the basic one. The rest of the things you are only supposed to do. Clear? This will be homework for you. Part 1 I have done. Part B you are supposed to do. But beginning I will show you how to do. So this is for 35% and this will be your investment. Investment will not change. It will be 50 lakh. It will be 50 lakh. And it will be 50 lakh. In this, complete 50 lakh is equity. Second option, 20 lakh equity and 30 lakh debenture. And the third option, 30 lakh equity and 20 lakh debenture. And the rate of interest is 12% as it is. Rate of interest is 12% as it is. No changes up to this. See your previous one. Whatever we have done, exactly we have copied and pasted. Then what is the next procedure? EBIT. It was 50 lakh into 25% because you are doing problem for what percentage? 25. Now what we should do? 50 lakh into, very good, it is 35%. Now in this EBIT, you are supposed to do 50 lakh multiplied with 35%. Now how much you will get? So 50 lakh into 35%, I get 17 lakh 50,000. 17 lakh 50,000. 17 lakh 50,000. 17 lakh 50,000. Now what is the format? Minus interest less interest. How to calculate interest? Very simple. In the second part, my suggestion, don't calculate interest. Why? Because you already calculated. It will not change. See? Already calculated interest. First option, there is no interest because there is no debenture. Second option, 3,60,000, 2,40,000. Already calculated. Copy and paste. Nil, 3,60,000 and 2,40,000. Clear? It will not change. Why? Because on this 12%, on this 12. Last problem also on this 12% is this only. Last problem also on this 12% is this only. Will not change. Because of your EBIT, the answers will change, but interest part will not change. Now, so what will be your answer now? 17,50,000. 17,50,000 minus 3,60,000. It is 13,90,000. Similarly, if you go for next, 17,50,000 minus 2,40,000, you will get 15,10,000. Hope you are clear. This is what? Earning after interest or earning before tax. Anything you can write. Now, so minus what? Corporate tax. So what is your corporate tax? On this, how much you are supposed to find out? 31.2%, the same percentage. But value will change. Why? Because your answers are changed. On this, 17,50,000 multiplied with 31.2%. 5,46,000. Similarly, 13,90,000 into 31.2%. It is 4,33,680. 4,33,680. And the last one, 15,10,000 into 31.2%. It is 4,71,120. Hope you are clear. Now minus 17,50,000 minus 5,46,000. I got 12,04,000. Similarly, 13,90,000 minus 4,33,680. 9,56,320 and 15,10,000 minus 4,71,120. It is 10,38,880. Hope you are clear. This is what? This is your earning after tax. From this, what you are supposed to minus? You are supposed to minus your DDT, dividend distribution tax. So we'll complete this problem, but you cross-check your final answer, whatever you have done. I'll complete this problem so that you will get clarity. Now, less what? Less DDT. Don't write the working note. Directly I'll calculate. Whatever answer you got multiplied with what? 20.358 whole divided by 120.358. I'll calculate. So 20.358 whole divided by 120.358. You know what amount you are supposed to take. First you take 12,04,000, then 9,56,000, 10,38,000. Now I'll calculate one by one. 10,38,000 multiplied with 20.358 whole divided by 120.358. So how much it is? 175, yes, 1,75,721. Similarly, second one will calculate 9,56,320. 9,56,320 multiplied with 20.358 divided by 120.358. I got 1,61,757. 1,61,757. 757. What is the first one? The first one is 12,04,000 multiplied with 31.2 divided by 12,04,000 into 20.358 divided by 120.358. So I got 2,03,651. 2,03,651. Hope you're clear. I have not showed the working out because in the previous one I already showed. Follow the same procedure, you will get this answer. Now, once if it is done, your 12,04,000 minus 2,03,651. 203,651. I got 1,00,000,349. I got 10,03,49. We'll go for the second one. 9,56,320 minus 1,61,757. I got 7,94,563. 7,94,563. And the last one, 10,38,880 minus 175,721. I got 8,63,159. So this answer I got. What is the final procedure? The final procedure is you have to convert it into percentage. How do you convert? Divided by equity value. Now, so similar to your last problem, see, your last problem, how did we do? Up to this we done. After that, we simplified with equity share value. Now, we'll do the same thing. 1,000, 10,03,49 multiplied with 100 divided by equity value. Similarly, 7,94,563 multiplied with 100 divided by your share value, equity share value. 8,63,159 multiplied with 100 divided by equity share value. Now, in this, what is the equity share value? First one, 50 lakh, 20 lakh, 30 lakh. Only you are supposed to take equity value. 50 lakh, 20 lakh, 30 lakh. Similar to your last problem itself. 50 lakh, 20 lakh, 30 lakh. 50 lakh, 20 lakh. And the last one is 30 lakh. Now, what is your answer? What is your answer? Now, if you calculate this, we'll get to know what will be your final answer. So, 10,03,49 multiplied with 100 whole divided by 50 lakh. I got 20%. 20%, and next 4,563 into 100 divided by 20 lakh. I got 39.72. And the last one, 863,159 multiplied with 100 divided by 30 lakh. I got 28.77. You just cross-check the calculation. If anywhere it is wrong, please correct that. I hope there is no mistake in the calculation. But procedure, you remember the same procedure we are supposed to follow. Now, out of these three, which is good or which is accepted? Yes, option 2 is accepted. Plan 2. Plan 2. What is the value? 39.77. 7, 2. Hope you are clear. Yes, now you understood properly what is capital structure. It is a compulsory problem. Never skip. Easy also. And whatever we have done, that is your question paper problem itself. If you work out, almost 90% of your capital structure doubts will clear. Now, I'll go back to all the previous slides. Please take screenshot. Your problem number 7 question. Your solution part for 25%. Solution part for 25%. Conclusion. So 35% answer. 35% final answer. Conclusion for 35%. So this is all about your today's session. Hope you understood what we did in today's session. Please work out at home the whole problem without seeing the answer. Thank you.